then we'll start. It may take another 3 to 4 minutes. Please don't click present now. Okay? The present now is nothing but the one who has present, they have to be left. So please don't click present now.
Dear student, don't present anything. Okay? Don't present. Naveen Sikalish, please don't present anything.
Present now option na click ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಯಾರು present now option ಇರೋದು ನಾವು PPT ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ present now ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ present attendance ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು please don't click present now. Already 104 students have joined, so we will wait for some more time, around 2 to 3 minutes. Hello, Tejasvi sir. Hello, Tejasvi sir, can you hear me? Okay. So we start the meeting. We start the program now. I want all of you to mute audio mute ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋನ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ Okay. So we have got around 105 students now, right now. So like, I hope you can hear me. All of you can hear me? Just reply to your chat box. Chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು reply ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ am I audible? Your students, am I audible? So,
Yeah, and end up all end of the year.
to this orientation program, firstly, I want to congratulate you all for taking a wise decision of pursuing their higher education. Education is a weapon in which you can win the world. It's a weapon through which you can win the world. Education is the one which gives you more, which brings more respect to you, and just a second, few of them have started. Okay. So for few of them, they are telling that it is not clear. So please come to that place where you get clear network. Okay. Abhiram, not clear, they are telling. Few of them can hear me, but few of them are finding out very difficult. Audible now? Shalini ma'am, are you there? All of you please mute your audio, then they can hear me. Ella mute ಮಾಡಿ.
Shahada Suresh, a student has not moved. It's not muted. Muting.
Am I audible now? Hello? Am I audible to all of you?
അപ്പോൾ മ്യൂട്ട് ഈ സൈഡ് മറ്റേ മ്യൂട്ട് ആക്കിയിട്ടില്ല അത്.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let me start. Few of them can't hear and few of them can hear me. So maybe there may be some technical glitches, but you need not worry. What we'll do is, like, of course, we are going to record this, and once the video will be recorded and that will be uploaded in the YouTube. So firstly, let me come again once again. I welcome you all, and I congratulate you all for making a wise decision for pursuing your higher education in from degree college. So before I just go further, let me just start my presentation.
Hola, good.
Guys, please mute your mic.
Connect your mics क्या बता अपन?
Tejasvi sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I want to present, like through video I can just go, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Go to present now.
Okay, is it visible now? Is my screen is visible, sir?
No, ma'am. Yes, it is presenting.
Okay. It's now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I welcome you all to Sheshadipam Degree College, Mysore. So before I start my orientation presentation, I just want to tell you like we are not only welcoming you to the degree college, we are welcoming you to the Sheshadipam family. Now, what is this family is all about? I'll let you know in my further presentation. Now, moving on with the legacy of our institution, as you all know that our institution was established in the year 1930 by two great ladies, Srimati Anandamma and Srimati Sitama. So Srimati Anandamma and Sitama were living in Bangalore, and in the year 1930, they started a small kindergarten with 20 students. And later on, the small kindergarten grew up as a primary school, then to an high school, then to colleges. So right now, this Sheshadipam group of institutions are having 33 institutions, which is spread to four important districts of Karnataka: Bengaluru, Mysuru, Tumakuru, and Mandya. Mandya, we are planning to start in 1 or 2 years, but right now we are operating in Bangalore, Mysuru, and Tumakuru. So we are catering around 22,000 students, and 1,200 staff members are working under the umbrella of Sheshadipam Educational Trust. So we are offering education from that of kindergarten to PhD. Now, moving on with the vision of Sheshadipam Degree College, Mysore. The vision of our institution is to see that there is an excellence for holistic development, creating a supportive, creative, and productive learning environment for the teen learners, fostering education that is accessible, affordable, and innovative. So it is a public trust which is running this organization, this institution called Sheshadipam Degree College, and this trust believes in the holistic development of the students. So that is the reason why we don't concentrate not only on the curricular activities but also on the co-curricular activities of the students. We have the vision to see that we reach the learners on with their it also benchmark their goal of being academic. It also for their I request you to please mute your audio. Yeah. Now, the goal of metropolitan education institution offering higher quality education, to excel, offering individual and shared attention, to stay rooted, preserving our traditional heritage, and to stay poised to be a part of the new challenges of modern day world. So we promise to see that the heritage is being, the traditional heritage is being preserved, and we also promise to see that we offer individual and shared attention. So to offer shared and individual and shared attention, we have this mentoring system in our organizations. So we offer mentoring, we have mentors, and the mentors take care of their respective mentees. And we have few ethos in our institution, like we have Gandhi Study Center, Swami Vivekananda Study Center, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Study Center. So these are the study centers which are found only in Sheshadipam degree colleges and degree colleges. You don't find these all these three centers in one institute. So that is the uniqueness of Sheshadipam degree college, Mysore. I bet I don't think so. Like in any degree colleges in Mysore, they have these study centers. No, the purpose of these study centers is like we conduct workshops and seminars in these respective study centers. We have the books of these great leaders in our library. So during your free time, you can just come and you can study their life, the principles. So these principles really help us to shape our life. And probably on September 7th, this month, September 7th, we are having one webinar under Swami Vivekananda Study Center, followed by webinars under Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Study Center and Gandhi Study Center. So all the webinar link will be shared with you. You all can join, and especially Swami Vivekananda Study Center is going to conduct a webinar which is activity based. That is Swami Vivekananda and meditation. We have invited resource person who is a yoga guru, and he will be addressing you, and he will take you to a live meditation program. So that is scheduled on September 7th, and we will share the details with you in the coming days. Apart from these study centers, we have got other features like we have Commerce Club, Akansha, and Dhimahi, the IT Club, the Information and Technology Club. See, these clubs are set up with an objective of making the students aware of their what I should say, the opportunities that is available in their respective field of knowledge. And in these respective clubs, the students conduct management and IT fest called Samruddhi and TechShape every year. Every year, our students do this, conduct this, what I should say, the fest management fest, intercollegiate management fest. Yeah, and all these years it has been conducted by our students in a very successful manner. Apart from that, we have got this anti-ragging cell. Anti-ragging cell is, of course, it is mandatory in all the colleges in India, and we have this anti-ragging cell to protect the interests of the individuals. And we have internal complaint committee, which was earlier known as anti-sexual committee. So this committee is the one which is going to protect the interests of the students. And then we have National Savings Scheme. National Savings Scheme is nothing but NSS. So NSS is an unit which was started in the year 2017, and it has done a very appreciable job by the by our NSS volunteers, and what all the activities that were conducted by NSS was highly appreciated by News India also. So, like we are stepping to the 4th year, and all are welcome to become the volunteers of NSS. So this is going to shape yourself. Like you will know the.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please keep your mic little bit near, ma'am. Voice is not bit clear.
Yeah, if this is okay.
Still more, ma'am.
This is okay.
You were using headphone mic, no, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll use that only.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejasvi sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we have this National Savings Scheme, which is stepping for our 4th year, and all are welcome to this to become the volunteer of this NSS. So the beauty of NSS is that teaches you selfless service, and what the feeling of one complete feeling of being selfless, giving selfless service to the society is something different, which makes you really very happy and satisfied. We have newsletter. We bring out the edition of newsletters, college newsletter, twice in a year. Once in the month of October, and second edition will come in the month of April. So in the newsletter, what we do is like we will just see that all the activities of our college is being published in the newsletter. Apart from that, the students are given opportunities to share their views with regarding to the current trends, what is happening in the field of commerce or in any other field, or in the field of information and technology, or in any other field. Or if you are interested to pen a poem, you can do that also. Or if you want to share an experience for a, like if you had been for an excursion and you had some experience, beautiful experience, if you want to share that, you can also pen your experiences in the newsletter. So apart from that, we also showcase the achievements of our students, and that is the beauty of our newsletter. And we have a value added course. So as we all know that we have promised to see that you all will be given placement training in each and every semester, in all the 6 semesters. And this value added course is the one which brings you that, like the personality development programs will be conducted. And in all these personality development programs what we conduct in each semester, all these will be you'll certified, you are going to receive certificate for all these, and this will build up your shape profile for your career. So that is the beauty of this value added courses. And then we have this add-on course like Tally, CA, CS, Python, Java, and we are also planning to bring few more SAP courses for you all. And this will be again a thing which will be giving, which will add further qualification for your graduation course. So like these are all the things which are inevitable and which is really required for you, in the sense like if you want to become a really an employable graduate, you have to see that you all pursue all these courses. Apart from that, the university, the MHRD itself has introduced MOOC, that is massive open online course, in almost all the universities. See, the beauty of massive open online course is any one of you can just enroll yourself. You can register to these massive open online course. Of course, our faculty members will assist you in the process of registration. So once you get registered, you may be pursuing commerce, or you may be pursuing management studies or computer science. But what happens here in massive open online course is, like apart from your core subject, you can also pursue some diploma courses or certified course certificates, say in the case of communication, or in the case, or it can be something, anything which is related to this massive open online course is, that is like you can, many massive open online courses are free of cost. So when it is free of cost, you can just enroll and you can just during your free time you can attend the courses and you can pursue these online courses. So that this is what is available to all the students in India. So these are few ethos we have got. And before I move on, I just wanted to share you one video. I hope you can just, I'll just try, like, can you find it? Tejasvi sir, can they hear?
No, ma'am. No, the audio is not clear.
Okay, audio they can't hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, further, then I'll just, okay, fine. So I'll just show this video when you come to the college. Probably the college, as of now, the government has said that from the month of October, we are supposed to start the colleges, that is the offline colleges, offline classes. Right now we are starting, I mean, from today onwards, we have started the online class. And today, of course, our final year, the outgoing batch have come to the college and they are attending the class. I'm just watching them. Like I see all my students are sitting in the classroom and they are getting the revision classes. As you all know that they are going to write their exams from September 7th. So in that way, all our final year students are in the college today and they are attending the classes. Now, students, like, of course, for you as well as for us, it is a very new experience. This virtual classroom is a very totally a new experience. And of course, we have to come across with so many challenges. The main challenges is the technical glitches. I know that many of you are staying in different parts in some rural areas where the network is a big issue. And what we have done is, like, all the classes, what online classes we are conducting, of course, all these online classes will be recorded and that will be shared with you so that you don't miss any of the online classes. But that doesn't mean that you think that, okay, we are anyways, we are going to get that recorded classes. So why we are supposed to attend the online class? There is no need to attend the online class. Whenever we feel like, we can just see the recorded videos. That is not right. The reason is because if you are like attending the online classes, when the lecturer is teaching you something, you can clarify your doubts immediately. See, if time permits, of course, whatever online classes we are doing, for that we'll give you revision once offline when you come to the college regularly. But if the time does not permit, if the university says that you have to write your semester examinations in the month of December or January, then we have to complete your portions also. In that situation, what happens? We may not find the time for revision and all. That is the reason why, students, all of you, please attend the online classes regularly. It is mandatory. The reason is because your attendance will be marked, and you all know that in degree you will be writing your exams for 80 marks and 20 marks will be internal. And the internal marks is divided like 5 marks will be given for your attendance. Okay. So in that way, your attendance is mandatory. Therefore, please ensure that you attend the online classes unless there is a genuine reason like technical problem. Okay. So apart from that, you are free, like you have got WhatsApp group. You can keep in touch. We'll give you the details of the faculty members. Now after this, I'll present one more PPT where you'll get the complete detail about the faculty members who are there, who are going to teach you. And um, you can keep in touch with them. And I have ensured that you'll be getting your notes on time. And if you have got any issues or any problems, you can just call or you can just text me. I'm in all the class WhatsApp group, and you can just text in the class WhatsApp group, or you can, if you have got some personal problem, you can text me individually also. So before I make the presentation of my faculty members, let me just quote these words. That is, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So these are the words of Nelson Mandela. So you have, education is something which is more powerful than any of the material weapons what we have. So you have the power. If you have got good education, if you pursue good education, obviously you have got that weapon which you can, from which you can change the world. So education not only brings a way or means for your livelihood, but it also gives you respect, it also gives you knowledge, and it also tells you the way to lead a happy and successful life. So once again, I wish you all the best of luck, and congratulate you for making a decision to pursue your higher education. So let me just go with the second presentation. Tejasvi sir,
Ma'am,
this is okay?
ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Come to the meeting and resume your presentation, ma'am.
Okay, I have to just come to the meeting. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah.
Now you can present, ma'am.
Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, presentation stopped. Your mic is muted, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second, sir. I'll just present now. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Come back to the presentation.
Now I am presenting. Is it visible?
Yes, 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 ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Fine, students. I hope you have all got some ideas about Sheshadipram Degree College, in which you are going to pursue your graduation. And of course, you'll be one more orientation program will be done by our commerce faculty, Mr. Kumar, and he'll be telling you about the code of conduct. That will be done once the college reopens. Uh, Once you come out from your virtual world and once you come to the college regularly, then you'll be given the clear information about what all the how you are going to, what are the subjects you are going to study. And of course, right now it is available. You can just browse in our website in Google. If you just type Google Sheshadipram Degree College Mysore, and there in Sheshadipram Degree College, you'll get the website of Sheshadipram Degree College. There you'll get to know what in the academic part, what all the various subjects you're going to study in each semester. And Mr. Kumar will just tell you, like as I said, like you'll be writing for 80 marks, the theory exams, and for 20 marks will be internal assessment. So how the 20 marks will be given, how it is divided, for what all the criterias that is set for the 20 marks, everything will be clearly explained by Kumar sir once you come to the college. So hope to see you soon in the college, and I wish you all the best of luck once again. And from tomorrow onwards, for 1 week, that is till Saturday. Saturday, I guess you don't have any class, as it is Teachers' Day, September 5th. We are celebrating Teachers' Day, and of course, we are also giving farewell party to our final year students. So that is the reason why this Saturday you will be not having class. Till Friday, you'll be having bridge courses, and from Monday onwards, your regular online classes will start. So for all the from today to Friday, you'll be having the bridge course daily 1 hour. Okay. So if you have got any doubt or any questions or any clarifications, you can the stage is open. You can just unmute yourself and you can just clarify your doubts. Anybody is having any doubt or any questions or any clarifications they require? Yeah, please unmute yourself and you can just raise your question. No one? No questions? Okay, Kiran is telling no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good, fine. Fine then we can conclude here and we'll meet. You have got timetable, right? All of you got your timetable? It was uploaded in your WhatsApp group. You all received? Have you received your timetable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine then. Okay, then from tomorrow onwards, your classes will commence. Okay?